OpenClaw Gold Rush, the new AI tool paying beginner $20,000 a month. Have you ever stumbled across something online that felt almost too good to be true, like an opportunity? Sitting quietly in a corner of the internet that only a handful of people seem to understand? Well, today we're diving into one of the wildest tools I've seen in 2026, an AI-powered system called OpenClaw. Built on top of the Abacus framework, it's helping early users pull in anywhere from a few $100s a day to over $20,000 a month. And hardly anyone is talking about it yet. This isn't dropshipping, it's not a survey site, and it's definitely not the usual make money online trick. If you're watching this right now, you're early, and what you do in the next few minutes might genuinely change the way you earn online. Buckle in, this is going to get insane. In the last decade, we watched artificial intelligence evolve from being a futuristic idea into something we interact with daily. But the shift that happened in 2024 and 2025 with the rise of AI agents changed everything. Before this, AI was just something that answered questions or generated text. But now, we have tools that can actually take action. Instead of giving you suggestions, they move your mouse. They click your screen, they open web pages, they fill out forms. They manage your files. This represents a completely different category of AI, one that doesn't just talk, but one that does. The emergence of agent technology created something similar to the early smartphone era. When smartphones appeared, everybody had the same device. But only a few people really understood how to use them to build massive businesses. Think about the creators who built their companies on Instagram before ads became expensive. Or the entrepreneurs who dominated dropshipping before it became crowded. Today, AI agents represent the same kind of early-stage advantage. Few people understand them. Even fewer know how to use them to generate income. But those who do, according to the hype surrounding OpenClaw and Abacus Claw, are getting results far beyond traditional online business models. Before we talk about the money, we need to understand what OpenClaw actually does. In simple terms, OpenClaw is a fully autonomous computer control agent. That means it can see your screen through screenshots, process the visual information through an AI model, and then decide what actions to take next. It doesn't just follow pre-coded macros. It makes decisions based on what it sees. If a page loads differently, it adapts. If an element moves, it finds it again. If it makes a mistake, it corrects itself. Think of it as a highly intelligent intern who never sleeps, doesn't get tired, and works with robotic consistency. And unlike normal automation tools, OpenClaw doesn't need templates, scripts, or mapping. It learns how to behave directly from the interface you show it. This opens the door to countless applications, from automating social media tasks, managing online marketplaces, handling email marketing, scraping data, managing files, organizing digital systems, and many other functions that would normally require human action. While OpenClaw is powerful, it has one major problem. It's difficult for beginners to set up. Running it requires servers, GPUs, access tokens, back-end configurations, and a level of monitoring that not everyone has the time or technical skill to maintain. That's where Abacus Claw became a game changer. Abacus Claw is essentially the commercial, user-friendly version of OpenClaw. Instead of forcing users to deal with technical installs, Abacus Claw offers a cloud-based platform where the agent can run on their servers. More importantly, it integrates with multiple services like email, CRM tools, WhatsApp, Telegram, Notion, Slack, and more. The creators built it for people who want to use AI automation without having to configure it. And that's why it exploded. It allowed everyday users to run agent automations without touching code. The result? Thousands of people suddenly had access to a fully operational AI worker. And many of them began using it to streamline their businesses or create entirely new ones from scratch. This is the part that catches everyone's attention. The claim that people are making up to $20,000 per month using OpenClaw or Abacus Claw. Is that possible? Technically, yes. But the reality is more nuanced. No AI tool prints money. What these agents do is automate tasks so efficiently that one person can handle the workload of 10. And when that happens, the economics of your work change completely. Think of someone running a digital marketing agency. Normally, they would have to manually send emails, follow up with leads, manage spreadsheets, track metrics, gather competitor data, and perform dozens of repetitive tasks every day. If an AI agent handles all of that automatically, that agency owner can scale far faster than a competitor who still does things manually. Likewise, someone running an e-commerce store might use an AI agent to monitor price changes, update listings, respond to customers, track inventory, process returns, and generate reports. Suddenly, what used to be a full-time job becomes something that operates in the background while the owner focuses on strategy. So yes, the $20,000 per month claim is possible, but not because the AI earns money magically. It's because the AI massively amplifies productivity in real businesses. And those who already have business systems in place are seeing the biggest results. One of the most fascinating aspects of OpenClaw is how diverse the use cases are. Content creators use AI agents to automate video uploads, pull analytics, write descriptions, generate thumbnails, respond to comments, and track trending topics. Social media agencies use them to manage client accounts, schedule posts, gather customer feedback, and monitor DM performance. In the e-commerce world, AI agents monitor supplier changes, rewrite listings, adjust pricing, and ensure compliance across different marketplaces. Real estate agents use them to update listings online, check property data, sort contract files, and manage CRM systems. Consultants use them to gather information, analyze reports, process documents, and prepare summaries. Students even use them to automate research tasks, organize notes, track deadlines, and manage study routines. The range is enormous. And that's the point. Autonomous agents don't just automate one thing. They automate anything that involves a computer screen and a cursor. This level of versatility didn't exist even 2 years ago. So how do people actually make money using OpenClaw or Abacus Claw? There are 3 core models. First, there's the automation service model, where freelancers or agencies offer automation setups to businesses. They use AI agents to handle tasks for clients, charging monthly retainers in the process. Second, there's the internal automation model, where entrepreneurs use the agents inside their own business to handle repetitive tasks. This dramatically reduces workload and allows them to scale without hiring. Third, there's the agent as a product model, where people build custom workflows with AI agents and sell them as templates, configurations, or subscription-based tools. This model exploded within AI communities because templates are easy to share and replicate. No matter which model you choose, the underlying theme remains the same. AI agents allow you to offload work from yourself to an automated system, freeing your time and multiplying your output. Despite the challenges, the opportunity remains enormous. AI agents are less than 2 years old in mainstream use. Most business owners have never touched one. Many don't even know they exist. This is exactly how early opportunities look before they explode. The people experimenting, failing, testing, and building today will be the ones running the biggest AI-powered companies in 5 years. Just like the early days of social media agencies, dropshipping, mobile apps, YouTube channels, or cryptocurrency's early adopters get outsized rewards. And right now, AI agents are still in that early stage. They're raw, powerful, and full of potential. The people who take time to learn them today will have a massive advantage over everyone else who waits. AI agents represent a new category of digital workers. They don't get tired. They don't complain. They don't need breaks. And they can work at speeds no human can match. But these agents are not a magic money button. They're tools that amplify your productivity, accelerate your workflows, and multiply the value you can produce. If you approach this technology seriously, with the intention to build something real, the possibilities are enormous. Whether you automate an existing business or build new services entirely powered by AI, the future belongs to those who understand and control these tools. So don't wait until everyone is using these agents. Learn them now, while the opportunity is still wide open.